If you bought a house with family, friends, or even a partner, there's something you need to fix before it gets too messy. Because right now, everything might feel fine. Everyone's getting along, bills are getting paid, but I've seen this go sideways more times than I can count. Not because people are bad, but because there were no clear rules when life started to change. And here's what most people don't realize: just because you already bought the house doesn't mean it's too late to protect yourself. In fact, this is exactly when you should. If you co own a home with someone and there's no clear agreement in place, you're not just sharing a house, you're sharing money, responsibility, risk, decisions, and eventually stress. Because life changes. People get married, people move, people lose jobs, people want out, people stop paying. People start thinking emotionally, not logically, and that's when things get messy. So let me say this clearly: just because you already bought the home does not mean it's too late to create rules. You can still sit down and ask, who pays for what? What happens if one person wants to move out? What happens if someone wants to sell? What if one person wants to keep the house? What if someone stops contributing? What if repairs come up? What if somebody passes away? That conversation is not negative. That conversation is mature. That conversation protects everybody. And here's the biggest mistake people make: they wait. They wait until there's tension. Someone's mad, someone's broke, someone feels disrespected, someone wants out, someone's spouse gets involved, someone's family starts chiming in. And by then, you're not making smart decisions anymore. You're making emotional decisions. And emotional decisions around real estate and money get expensive fast. That's why these conversations need to happen while everybody is still in a good place, while everybody is calm, while everybody is reasonable, while everybody is thinking clearly. Because the best agreements are made before the relationship gets tested, not after. That's how you protect the house, and more importantly, the relationship. So if you want to keep this from getting messy, you need clarity. Here are the 5 things you need to get clear on. Number 1, monthly payment responsibilities. Who pays what every month? Is it 50-50? Is it based on income? Who handles utilities, taxes, insurance, HOA? Number 2, repairs and maintenance. What happens when the AC dies? When the roof leaks? When the water heater goes out? Because trust me, homeownership will test everybody. Number 3, exit strategy. If one person wants out, what happens? Can they force a sale? Can the other person buy them out? How will the value be determined? Number 4, living arrangements. Who actually gets to live there? Can someone move in a boyfriend, girlfriend, spouse, or relative? People skip this one all the time, and it matters a lot. Number 5, when life happens. Life will happen: death, disability, job loss, marriage, divorce, financial hardship. Nobody likes talking about this stuff, but adults need to, because pretending it can't happen doesn't stop it from happening. This isn't about trust. And no, this doesn't mean you don't trust each other. It means you respect each other enough to plan ahead. And that's what grown up people do. A written agreement is not an insult, it's a safety net. So if you already own a home together, hear me clearly. You are not too late. You can still put structure in place. You can still protect the investment. You can still protect the relationship. You just need to do it before emotion takes over. If you're in this situation right now, don't wait until something goes wrong. Sit down, have the conversation, get clear, and put it in writing. Because clarity protects relationships. And if you're not sure what questions to ask, reach out to me. I'll help you think through the real life scenarios most people miss. so you can avoid the common mistakes up front. And when it comes time to make it official, I can connect you with a real estate attorney who specializes in structuring these agreements the right way. That way, you're not guessing, you're doing it right from the start. My name is Omar Pineda with eXp Realty, and I'll see you in the next one.